Hi. So today we'll discuss about how to check the reports. So as we all know that once we log in through the admin credentials, this is the first screen that we come across. This is the dashboard that we call, which usually gives us the complete overview of our account, along with all the summary, analysis, and all the shortcut keys. Even in this particular screen, also in the right hand side, we can see user call report and user login report. So if we want to check the user-wise report at a straight, we can just simply click on this options and we can just get the particular report, whatever we want to. But in case if you want a clarity and if you want a detailed report, what we need to do is in the left hand side there's a report section. Once we click on reports, there are three options coming: user, campaign, and download report. So whenever we usually download a report, then that particular report gets downloaded in this section. A link will get created, and then we can just download it from here. That's all. Now, the user and campaign. That means the user-wise report I can check it from here, and the campaign-wise report I can check it from here. So if we just click on user, there are three other options coming in: call report, login report, and follow-up report. If we just simply click on call report, we can see all the users' name are listed on the left hand side, their role, their mobile number, and the date. Along with that, we can see there are a couple of headers are there, like the total call attempted, connected, total call not connected, in progress leads, converted leads, lost leads, start calling time, total WhatsApp sent, total call time, average call duration, and average form filling time. Along with that, at the top, we can see there's a filter option for the date today, the user wise, and along with that, I can simply download it from here also. Whatever the filter, I'll apply it over here. It will come up over here, and then simply I can download it. So basically, whatever the headers are there, it usually gives us the complete productivity report of these users. So whatever the users are working and performing on a daily basis, we can just simply check the reports from here, the complete productivity report over here. And once we get the report downloaded, and then accordingly we can just send it to the reports, like send it to the users group, and it will work as a leaderboard for them. Then again we'll go to reports, user, and there's a login report. Once we click on login report, so what we need to do is we need to just select a user. So I'll select Shaurya. The date is, let's take it for today, and go. Once we click on go, for this particular day, for this particular user, at the top it will come as an hourly report. That every hours how many calls has been made as a bar graph, and out of the total calls how many calls were connected, that will come as a blue color, and how many calls were not connected, that will come as a gray color. Okay, on an hourly level the complete bar graph will show like this. Okay, along with that, if we want to download the hourly report, we can simply click on this download hourly report. We can simply download it. Then at the bottom we can see for this user, for this particular day, how many calls have been attempted, how many total break has been taken, and the complete activity. That when they have started, when they have gone for break, for what reason, and when they have again initiated the call, the complete activity would have been shown over here. And the right hand side, there would be a kind of pie chart which will give us a day report of this particular user, total break, and the total calls. And if we click on this, we'll get the number as well. Then again, I click on reports, click on user, call report, and login report. We have understood. Call report will give the complete productivity report, that on a particular day or any of the day, which users has performed how much and how well. And the login report means it will give us the complete activity report. And then there's another option called follow up report. Once we click on follow up report, we can see, so for whatever the users, the follow up would be pending for today or yesterday, it will be shown over here. So let's say Shaurya has few follow-ups pending. For today, two follow-ups are been due. And follow-ups missed yesterday is 0, average stat, and compliance. So average stat means, so let's say Shaurya has a follow-up lead at 10 p.m. But Shaurya is doing the follow-up at 12 a.m. or 11 p.m. So whatever the difference would be there, if he is doing later on, so that will be the tag being calculated. And in a particular day, how many follows would be there, including all the follows, the average will be get counted. Then what is the tag that particular person or this particular person is like maintaining. Then there's a compliance. Compliance means in a particular day how many follows will be there, and out of that particular total follows, how many follows has been completed. So it will be the compliance percentage will be given. Then at the top we can see user level. We can just simply, whoever the users will be pending with the follows, we can just, all the options will come in and we can filter it out. Even we can just filter it out by the reporting to option as well. Then after that, over here, the follow-ups due today, we can see it, and in option of everything, you can see there's a like at the headers of every headers, at the right hand side of every headers, there's a I button. So if we just simply click on this I button, we'll able to see the complete detailed information of this particular header. That why is it here and what is the meaning of that. So we can just simply read it across and we'll be able to understand that what this particular header is all about and what does that mean. Okay. Now again I click on reports. I click on user. So the call report, login report, and follow-up report we have completed. Now what we need to do, we just simply click on campaign. Once we click on campaign, there are two more reports coming in. Campaign report and campaign lead report. Once we click on campaign report, we can see whatever the campaigns are running in this particular account, all the campaigns are been showing over here. In whatever the campaigns have been present in whatever pipelines, all the pipelines are also been visible, the date, and there are a couple of other headers like total call attempted, total call connected, converted, lost. So basically, if we are running any of the campaign or folder, so obviously we need to check the progress of it. So in order to check the progress of any of the campaigns, we can simply come to this reports and campaign report. So on a campaign level, we can check the progress that in that particular campaign, whatever the data has been added and whatever the work has been done. Out of that, how many calls has been attempted total, how many calls got connected, how many got converted and lost. Along with that, DOIs filter we can make it at the top. Even pipeline type filter also is available. As per the pipelines, we can filter it out. Even as per the campaign status, also we can filter it out. And accordingly, what is the filter, I will do it. And then accordingly, I can download it. So as per my preference, after the filter, I can download the report. Then again, I click on reports. I click on campaign. I'll click on campaign lead report. So over here, there's a select campaign option is there. So let me just select any of the campaign. So let's say I'll select test campaign and I'll click on go. So here it comes that for this particular campaign, whatever the leads are there, the complete lead summary is showing over here. That out in this particular campaign, there's a total leads of 17. Out of the total 17 leads, all the leads are being in open, in progress 0, close 0. That means out of the total leads, how many leads are been in open stage, in progress stage, and close stage. Along with that, how many leads are in not connected and yes connected, and the further bifurcation. So, as per each and every campaigns, if we want to check the lead summary, we can just simply come over here. We can select any of the campaign and we can simply click on go. Automatically, it will give us the complete lead summary of that particular campaign. So, if we click on reports again, the user part we have already cleared. The campaign part also we have covered. And download report means whenever we download any of the huge report, automatically this particular report will come over here and a link will get created. Then we just need to click on this particular link to get the report downloaded. That's it. So that is all about the report section. Thank you.